Hello, my name is Sharon Eastburn from the South Jersey Sudbury School.
And my name is Anna Schwartz from Princeton High School, and we are Team BugBrains.
Competing in the limited resource category of the Spelman HV Electronics Clean Tech Competition.
Our entry is the bamboo box for bugs, which helps convert three of the most common types of waste into usable products that can benefit countries with limited resources, thereby enhancing food security.
Our inspiration for this idea came from a previous competition that specialized in food conservation.
When we looked more into the serious issue of food waste, we discovered the other challenge of plastic waste and found we could provide a solution to both in our bug box idea.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, paper products, food waste, and plastics comprise the largest percentages of total waste generated, and while paper is easily recyclable, food waste and plastics often end up in landfills or contaminating water sources that are vital for environmental health. Another inspiration for this project came from a lorena stove, a structure made from local materials in limited resource countries that helps people cook more efficiently.
When food waste is buried in landfills, it decomposes and can produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Food production requires many inputs, including water, fertilizer, and labor, and these inputs are wasted when food is thrown away. Unfortunately, due to transportation challenges, half of all food in limited resource countries spoils before it can reach a market. Therefore, it would be beneficial to people who depend on agriculture to recover the nutrients, water, and energy from spoiled food and convert it into a useful product.
Around the world, two of the most common forms of plastic waste are styrofoam products, made of polystyrene, and disposable single-use plastic bags made from polyethylene. These materials are often discarded because they are difficult to reuse or recycle. A method of converting these waste products into useful materials would be a huge benefit to countries with limited resources, because they will help reduce the environmental impact of plastic pollution while also enhancing food security.
Three species of insect that are abundant in tropical countries can serve as useful tools in the process of bioremediation, which can convert waste products into useful resources. In this case, nature has provided an ideal solution to the waste challenge because insects don't require inputs of technology or manufacturing that might be scarce in countries with limited resources. They can also reproduce, making thousands of copies of themselves with only basic inputs like food, water, and warmth.
To be clear, the project we have developed is not focused on experimenting with the insects themselves, but rather on structures that will provide an ideal environment for locally available insects to break down waste. These bamboo boxes, consisting of two different designs, provide a habitat where plastic-eating waxworms, styrofoam-eating mealworms, and biological waste-eating black soldier-fly larvae may thrive. Our bug boxes may also work with other beneficial insect species, but these are our three main focus.
In any development project, it is essential that the required inputs are sustainable and easily accessible, which means that all the materials should be abundant and available in countries with limited resources. In this case, our bamboo bug boxes are made from renewable materials that are easily accessible in any country where plants grow, including bamboo, twine, grass, and clay.
These bamboo boxes are of a design that does not require sophisticated engineering, and because they can be constructed from locally available materials, their production is completely sustainable.
Once introduced to the boxes, waxworms can quickly shred and degrade plastic bags, mealworms can digest styrofoam without accumulating dangerous chemicals in their body tissues, and black soldierfly larvae can eat a wide variety of spoiled foods, from meat to grains, without accumulating dangerous chemicals or bacteria.
As a result, these insects can serve as a food source for domesticated animals that people may eat. Humans may also eat the insects directly, although studies have shown that all three insect species are as good or better than commercial feed for chickens and pigs.
In this way, energy, nutrients, and water that would otherwise be lost from discarded food and plastics can be redirected into a valuable product that will help people in limited resource countries grow more food. This project is scalable to communities of any size, from families to cities, and in addition to the insect biomass that may be derived from this product, the byproducts of insect digestion, called frass, can improve soil quality when buried in vegetable gardens or cropland. For these reasons, we feel that bamboo bug boxes make an ideal solution to some of the greatest challenges faced by limited resource countries around the world.